All right, y'all, so we got it all set up now and it looks absolutely amazing. It was very simple to set up. It only had some double-sided tape and the parts would just connect to each other. So it made it very easy and very quick. It was a simple process. It came with the top shelf where you will be able to set your computer, your laptop, printers, or you can use it just as a bookshelf. So you have the top part, you have a middle part, you can put your notebooks in there, put some pencils, and on the bottom part you can also add some books in there as well. So it makes it very nice. I love the look that it came in with. The black and the white matches my computer desk, and as well I won't be hurting my neck looking down. This raised the computer enough where it's going to make it very comfortable for me to work. So I'm absolutely loving this product, and I'm excited to be using this. Thank you guys.